I tried to talk her out of it. Bringing him. It's a crappy thing to do. Flaunting her new relationship in your face like that. I'm pretty sure she just wants your attention. Maybe. But that guy isn't even her type. I think she only brought him here to make you jealous. Trust me, I know her. I know what it looks like when she's over someone, and she is not over you. That's why she's acting out, showing off and running around in the sand with him like they're at an engagement shoot. It's making me sick. I can't imagine how you're feeling. I'm sorry, we don't have to talk about it if you don't want to. Really? So, what, you're not upset? See, that is going to drive her crazy. There is nothing like trying to get a reaction out of someone and then having them be completely unbothered. Yeah, well, I say let her go crazy. She kind of deserves it. She and I are friends. We're really good friends. And that's why I have to call her out when she's being such an idiot. Besides, she knows how I feel about this whole thing. I've only lectured her about it a million times. About how she treated you while the two of you were together. She could be good sometimes, sure, but that doesn't make up for all the times she put you through hell. I'm her friend. I know everything. Wow, look at them go. The whole splashing each other thing. So predictable. I guess it's sweet. In a sickening kind of way. You know, she's always been a better friend than girlfriend. I wish you got to see the other side of her. The side that knows exactly how to cheer you up when you're sad. And lets you borrow her shoes and comes over in the middle of the night to watch romantic comedies. Don't judge. I've never really found that in any other person. So, you know, she's one of my best friends. And I love her. But sometimes she really makes me wonder if she was dropped on the head as a baby. Anyway. Thanks for coming tonight. I don't think I've said that yet. Yeah, well, you had every right to skip out. I think it's cool of you to keep it friendly with her. I was afraid that after you guys broke up, that maybe I wouldn't see you around so much anymore. Yeah, I figured that, I don't know, you'd want to cut ties with everyone. It wouldn't be unusual to not want to hang out with your ex-girlfriend's friends. Really? You consider me your friend? I thought you still saw me as your girlfriend's friend. Or ex-girlfriend's, I mean. But no, you're right. I guess we are friends. In the traditional sense that we hang out and talk and do whatever else it is that friends do. I don't know. We haven't borrowed each other's shoes yet. Yeah, I'm not sure if we qualify as friends until you've borrowed a pair of stilettos. You know what would be fun though? Movie nights. Doesn't have to be a romantic comedy unless you want it to be. We could watch whatever. Huh? Oh. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I didn't think of that. That should have occurred to me. I don't know how she'd feel about that. Like I said, I'm pretty sure she's still hung up on you, so yeah, it might not be such a good idea after all. God, really? Do they realize this is a public beach? Sometimes I really wish she'd tone it down a little with the PDA. Hey, you don't get to complain. I had to watch the two of you make out all the time. Don't pretend you aren't equally guilty of PDA. Okay, maybe not equally. But still, it was pure torture watching you two. No, not torture. Well, kind of, actually. No, not because it's gross. I'm not 4 years old. I guess because I knew how badly she was treating you. Made it hard to watch you two look so happy together when I knew what was going on. Does that make sense? Can I ask you something? Do you think you'd ever get back together with her? Wow, you shot that down quickly. I was just wondering. Whatever you do, I just want you to be happy. You deserve to be happy. And maybe she could make you happy if she, took some time to work on herself a little. 'Cause she's a good person. She really is. But I don't know. I guess I never really thought you guys were that great of a match. She's so intense and you're so chill. Maybe it's an opposites attract type of thing. Yeah, I don't know. But it's over for good. Okay. There they go again. What should we do? I thought we decided against the movie night thing. Well, it might be a little insensitive. Okay, you know what? Sure. Let's do it. It's not a big deal. We're friends. We're allowed to hang out together, right? Oh, cool. It's fine. I can tell her. I mean, not tell her as in sit her down and hold her hand, but I'll mention it to her. Okay. Why did you change your mind? About the movie night? Why did you change your mind? I just want to make sure it's not to get back at her. Okay. I knew you wouldn't do something like that, but I just had to ask anyway. You don't think she'll get mad, do you? Yeah, I don't think so either. Besides, it's just two friends hanging out. It's completely harmless. Hey, would you want to take a walk along the water? It might be nice. We can walk in the opposite direction of them, don't worry. Okay, come on. So, what kind of movies do you like? Really? I love that movie. It's amazing. And the ending? Yeah, I could watch it 1,000 times. Oh, look out, there's a wave coming. And too late. Is it cold? Hey, I tried to warn you. Hey, what are you doing? Don't you dare. You better not do what I think you're about to do. It's freezing. Cold, cold, cold. I hate you. Oh, what? Did you not think I'd retaliate? Okay, okay. Truce. I didn't realize I splashed your face. I'm sorry. Your hair is wet. Okay, wait a minute. We shouldn't. We should get back to the others before they start wondering where we went. And, we probably shouldn't let this happen again. Agreed. Come on, let's go.